Today's video, I believe, is very important because it actually comes directly from my heart. And it says, on duties and circumstances, that is July 2nd. Never shrink the proper dispatch of your duty, no matter if you are freezy or hot, gurgi or well rested, vilified or praised, not even if dying or pressed by other demands. Even dying is one of the important assignments of life. And in this, as in all else, make the most of your resources to do well the duty at hand. Now, I want you to take this understanding of what happened. Alright. So, every video that you have seen before this has always been in a classroom environment, and that is very easy for me to talk there because I'm not directly talking to a camera, I'm talking to people. And talking to people gives you a lot of confidence and feedback on point when they shake their head or when they smile or something, or when they agree with you, or even when they disagree with you. There is feedback. And today when I was studying this, some circumstances happened due to which I was not able to take the lecture in the classroom. And for the first half an hour I was pissed. I was very angry. I was could have happened, could have been managed. And I got angry, and thankfully, I've gotten into a habit of not taking quick action. But see, if I reflect on what my duty is, then my duty is to make these videos, to reflect, to think about artistry, and to think about stoicism. That is at least the task that I have taken with my niche on YouTube. And when I was thinking about it, I realized I have to make a video regardless of the circumstance. Now, this video might not get as much engagement as the previous videos, but my job is to make the video. That's it. My job is to reflect. And if that doesn't pan out, that doesn't pan out. So, I'll read this. Will this make me rich? Will people be impressed? How hard do I need to try? How long will this take? What's in it for me? Should I do this thing or other thing instead? These are questions we ask ourselves amidst the days, opportunities, and obligations. Marcus Aurelius had many responsibilities, as those who had executive power do. He judged cases, heard appeals, sent troops to battle, appointed administration, approved budgets. A lot rode on his choices and actions. Should he do this or that? What about this concern or that concern? When would he get to enjoy himself? A simple reminder above was a way to cut through the mental complaints, fears, and complementing interest. It's what we must use to decide what to do in each and every phase of life. Reality can be complicated, but the right thing is usually clear and intuitive enough to fill in our gut. Our duty is rarely easy, but it is important. It's also usually the hard choice, but we must do it. Now, I would like to end the video in a minute. But the thing is, maybe the circumstances could be better. Or maybe the circumstances would be whatever they are. But there is a small prayer that I have. And the prayer goes like this. Allah, I thank you for whatever has happened, whatever is happening, and whatever is going to happen. When you think about it, right, you are accepting your fate. Stoicism supports fatalism. That is, I think, for whatever has happened. And it was supposed to happen the way it happened. But what about the future that is going to come? If I am happy for even the future that is about to come, right? How amazing is that? And it is hard. I'm not saying sitting on this sofa and delivering the lecture was very easy, because I'm habitual to speak in a classroom environment. It is very easy for me to set up everything, but even to get the Wi-Fi connected in, even to get the screen of the camera on the devices, it's kind of a hassle where every single thing becomes a task. But the thing is, with all those tasks, with everything at hand, if you just say, I will do this regardless of anything else, and I'll be thankful. You know how much potential that gives you in your own character? We have an impeccable source of inspiration that comes from within. When we say, I will do it, I am going to do it, no matter what happens. Okay. Maybe the camera got broken, so I would be recording with a phone. The clarity would be worst. But the thing is, when you complete it, as I'm completing this video now, There is a sense of satisfaction and a sense of hope and a sense of happiness in me, which is only achieved by action, not by thinking, but by action. This thing is to be experienced. And that is why today's video, that is on duty and on circumstances, no matter what happens, we have to march on. And to the people, to the artist who's watching this video, maybe you do not have enough supplies, maybe you do not have the proper camera gear, or maybe you do not have the particular lens, or maybe you just do not have the circumstances to provide you with a job right now, or a particular client right now, or the capacity to do a particular project right now. But whatever it is, paid, unpaid, for a client, for yourself, let's just keep doing it, because that is it, right? For the artist, it is doing that thing that makes us happy, right? I hope this video helps you, and please let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much.